Last night, SpaceX quietly launched something wild, a robot with actual arms, built to fix satellites in space. It's called the Mission Robotic Vehicle, and it's the first commercial repair bot ever headed for orbit. Northrop Grumman built it, and it rode a Falcon 9 up from Florida just after 5 Eastern. Right now, when a satellite runs out of fuel or breaks, it just becomes a dead, drifting hunk of metal. This robot changes that. 2 dexterous arms let it grab, inspect, repair, and refuel other spacecraft in orbit. Those arms came from the Naval Research Lab and DARPA, tough enough to grip almost any satellite safely. It's hauling 3 mission extension pods, basically tiny jetpacks it bolts onto aging satellites. Each pod can add up to 8 extra years of life to a satellite that was about to be retired. And unlike older servicers, it doesn't stay stuck to one satellite. It hops between customers like a space handyman. Operators like Australia's Optus and Luxembourg's SES already booked it before it even reached orbit. It'll cruise about a year out to geosynchronous orbit, then run a mission lasting well over a decade. It can even get refueled itself, using the first on-orbit fuel port approved by the US Space Force. Bigger picture, this is the first real step toward fixing and recycling hardware in space instead of trashing it. Fewer dead satellites means less space junk, cheaper missions, and gear that gets upgraded, not replaced. Watch for its first satellite grab in about a year. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. I'm the Tech Bard, and keeping it honest, this one's AI made with human guidance and QC. So if anything felt off, tell me in the comments.